Console.log writes a message to the console. You can use it in a source code editor like VS Code or in a web browser like Google Chrome. It is best used for testing codes. Here's how it works. Let's say we want to display he is happy to the console. We would simply print console.log with the brackets, the closing parentheses, closing quotation marks. You would then input he is happy into that and save. Run the code and it would print he is happy. As you can see, I previously did it earlier. He is happy. If you want to test this out, you can also go into a Chrome browser like Google Chrome or any Chrome browser and input the same thing. Console.log, closing parentheses, closing quotes, he is happy, and enter, and it would print he is happy. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to rewatch the video to get a better understanding.